Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure VMware Cloud on AWS for hybrid solutions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VMware Cloud on AWS account. Navigate to the VMware Cloud console. Select the SDDC option from the dashboard. Click on Create SDDC to start the configuration process. Choose your desired AWS region for the deployment. Select the number of hosts you want for the SDDC. Configure the network settings by specifying the management CIDR. Choose to enable or disable the automatic backup option. Select the required vSphere version for your deployment. Review your configurations and click Create SDDC. Wait for the SDDC to be provisioned. This may take several minutes. Once the SDDC is ready, note the management IP address for access. Open a web browser and input the management IP address. Log into the vSphere client using the provided credentials. Navigate to the networking section to configure your virtual networks. Create a new logical switch by clicking on Add in the Logical Switches menu. Assign a name to your logical switch and configure its settings. Link the logical switch to the appropriate port group. Now, move on to the Compute section to set up your first virtual machine. Click on VMs and then select Add VM. Choose the operating system and version you wish to install. Allocate the necessary resources, including CPU, memory, and disk space. After configuring the VM, click Finish to create it. Next, configure a VPN connection to securely connect your on-premises data center. Go to the networking section and find the VPN option. Select Add VPN and fill in the required details. Configure your on-premises firewall to allow traffic to and from the VMware Cloud. Test the VPN connection to ensure it is operational. Once verified, configure your workload migration between on-premises and the cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.